Hello guys, review Infinix Note 40. This version 8GB memory and 256GB RAM. And start unpacking device. Open big box. We have in completion wireless charger. Okay. And open main box with device. Okay. On this we have protected back cover and protected glass for this display. Device in a black color. Pretty design, looks good. Turn on device. Infinix, and look another completion. We have 45-watt power charger, and this we have only Type-C cable. Okay. Turn on. Open settings. Look Android version. Infinix Note 30. Battery 5000 mAh battery. Full HD Plus display. Front camera 32 megapixels. Android version 14 and XOS 14.0.0. Open Geekbench 6. We have GPU Mali G57 MC2 and GPU MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate. Look results. Single core score and multi-core score. GPU test results. Undo the benchmark. Okay. PUBG Mobile box on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.